I mean, right now onions is gold. Hey guys, good morning. This is Amazon, and today I'm going to try to film a vlog. Okay, this is Friday and I'm going to the market. I'm going to shop some things for the house. I'm going to cook later today. My hair is a mess, that's why I have that band going on there, or the head wrap going on there and everything. So I'm just waiting for this girl Benny to join me so we could go to the market together. But if you're new, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to the market, shall we? Guys, look at the rats that kept me here for hours. What's that head wrap? She's looking like an old woman.
Sweetie, I'm taking. Look at us.
Oh God. This girl is taking me to suffer in Abuja.
We look like one and two wives of Alaji that are very nice.
Let's go to the market. So I want to make a withdrawal, you guys.
And I will show you guys my favorite spot to buy things: meat, spices, onions.
The golden onion. The golden. Came and saved me, Lord. I'm broken.
Look at her. She had to tell me thank you. I took her to the market. Literally, I'm showing her the range of the market. How things are around here.
It's a lot. I've just not been here in a long time.
She should call me Big Mama.
500.
Say now. 400. 400 now, Alaji.
How many you want?
100 now.
Yes.
Yeah, put down.
I bet. You, Alaji.
You don't throw the big one where you want put before. This boy when he was slicing my red water leaf. Penny! Yeah, 15 naira. This is such a busy. See busy. This market, anytime I come, they are never this busy. Do you understand? They are so busy right now.
You need to come 24th of December. You will see space.
I won't even try it. Something as in a menu. There is, once you hit, you just, the funny thing is that the money doesn't stop. But your love came and saved me, Lord, I'm broken. Yo guys, this is the height of it all. I've not been to any stressful market runs like this one I just did with Benny.
Darling,
Please next time remind me not to follow you.
Welcome to
Remind me not to follow you. Oh well. But right now we're heading to get a car and get home. What are you buying?
But here's Plenty by Olamide featuring Fireboy.
Guys, I'm finally done cooking. Like, yo, that's a lot of meal there. This Saturday morning, and for some strange reasons I woke up early, and I don't know why I woke up early. Okay, I think the sleep just vanished from my eyes and all, because I was really expecting I was going to sleep so long after everything that I went through yesterday. Had a crazy Friday, y'all. Very crazy Friday. Okay, I did my meal prep, did market runs, you guys saw that already. But today I'm gonna just wash my hair and I'm gonna grab this new shampoo. Okay, I saw this new mentholated shampoo at the store. It's quite affordable too, so I'm just going to grab that and then use it to like wash my hair. Hopefully my hair loves it. Okay, and also I'm going to do an Ayurveda tea rings as well, so it's just going to be my hair today and all. I'll film that in details for another video, so let's just dive into it. Okay, How do I reach that? Yep. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What the heck? All this cars.
Told you.
This is the problem I have with children's birthday. It's not they're not coming for the kids. They're coming for the parents.